Today I'm teaching you guys how to draw a circle of given radius to touch two given arcs as shown. Now in this case, you are going to draw the two given arcs first. That's the first step. The next step is you are going to draw an arc with the center of each of the given arcs in turn. But in this case, the radius will be the difference between the given arc and the required circle. So what I mean is basically, let's start from here. So the required circle in this case is it's a 1 centimeter radius. So in this case, we are going to add the radius of this circle to the radius of the required circle. So I will adjust the ruler till the 9 falls on the pencil. So this 9 mark. So I will now extend it to 10, which shows that it's a 1 centimeter difference for the radius. Then I'll draw an arc with the construction line. Then I'll go on to the next one. So in this case, I'm going to make it of the difference. So this arc, I'm going to look for the difference between the radius and the radius of the circle. So let's make this 5. So I'll take it back till it gets to 4. That's the difference of 1. So then I'll draw another arc to cut the first arc. Then last part is to draw the circle. So with that intersection and opening to one of the arc, let it touch one of the arcs, then you draw a circle. So this circle is a circle that touches two arcs. So that's the construction. Thanks for watching.